Hi, my name is Nicole, and I've been tutoring with James for about 6 months now, and we are finally in the last stretch where I'm going to be writing in a couple weeks. But I just wanted to make this video and share my story with James, and hopefully it will help somebody make a decision about whether to use him, because I really think you should. So a little background about me: I wrote the MCAT last year and I could not break the score of 500. No matter how many practice tests I was doing, I could not get past that score. And I knew that next time around I really needed some kind of push, some other method, because clearly what I was doing was not working. And that's when I came across James, and I'm so very happy that I did. Throughout the 6 months, he has really brought out a lot in me that I didn't know I had, in terms of mental capacity and just the ability to understand something so well. And that was huge for me, because I think that was a big issue I was having. First time I wrote my test, I would read a passage and not even know how to even tackle it. And so throughout these 6 months, I just feel like he has allowed me, or he's helped me rather, gain that kind of mental capacity to even start the wheels turning in my head. Okay, I'm reading this, how am I going to be approaching it? So that was the main thing that we were doing in our sessions, and it has helped me out so much. I think the biggest indicator of my improvement was a couple days ago. I wrote my first diagnostic practice test and I scored a 522. I was super shocked. I was shaking. I was so happy that I got that score. I never thought I would get a score over like a 512. Last year I was just hoping for maybe a 510, but now with James, like, my goals have just gotten a lot higher, because I feel like with his help I'm able to accomplish that much more. So I just really want to express how grateful I am that I found James, because he's been so helpful through my MCAT journey that I don't think I could have done it with anyone else. I was debating Kaplan and Princeton, but overall I felt that they were a little too generic and I wanted something more tailored to my goals and my needs, and that's exactly what I got with James. And I think everybody kind of needs that as well. So again, overall, I just want to say thank you, James, because I could literally have not achieved some kind of score like this if it wasn't for you.